Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be taking apart this engine. I'm probably going to take the head off, the oil pan, and make sure it's got rods or see what it has in it. Take the trans off. That's going pretty much in the trash as well. I got a Harbor Freight special engine stand, so I'm going to set that up and then get the engine on it and start ripping this engine apart. So let's do this. So we got the head off as you can see here, it looks like pretty much a factory head, factory cams, all that stuff. The only thing kind of strange about it is the fact that one of these valves, this right here, that exhaust valve, is not the same as the other ones. So somebody had to have replaced it at some point for some reason, and I don't know why they only did one. But I think I might just leave the HUD alone and throw it back on the car and see. Well, I'm gonna put cams in it hopefully, but I'm not gonna touch the valves or anything like that, and just kind of throw it back in the car until it becomes an issue, which hopefully it won't. The only thing with the block is that gouge right there. But for me, I think I just buy one new piston. I just got to pull it out and see exactly what kind of pistons these are. But the good part is it does have some Manley rods in it, and it does have all ARP hardware. So head studs, the main studs for the crankshaft, as well as the piston bolts obviously are Manley bolts. So another good thing about this engine is it does have new seals, it looks like. So the main seals are brand new. So as you can see, they look pretty new. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the future progression of the build. Peace.